PCB SMT surface mount technology is the process of soldering electronic components directly onto the surface of a bare PCB, turning it into a functional electronic assembly. PCB is the skeleton, and SMT is the key process that connects components to bring it to life. Its core process is simple and efficient. First, solder paste is precisely printed through a steel stencil, inspected by SPI to ensure solder joint quality. Then high-speed placement machines accurately place components. And finally, soldering is completed by controlling temperature in a reflow oven. Subsequent inspections such as OE and X-ray ensure no defects. Different PCBs require different handling. Rigid PCBs have a mature process. Flexible PCBs need special fixtures for fixation. And HDI high-frequency PCBs require higher precision. Quality control runs through the entire process. From solder paste inspection to final functional testing, each step determines product reliability. SMT is cost-effective for mass production. Although prototype costs are higher, mass production can significantly reduce costs through economies of scale. With over 15 years of experience in SMT, Kaboer can handle all types of PCBs: rigid, flexible, HDI, etc. Implement strict quality control throughout the process, support rapid prototyping, and safeguard the stable operation of electronic devices with professional technology.